Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to remove or delete the remnant file that you're working with. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, and we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we head into the program here, so this is the previous file where we looked at the remnant file, how to create one, and the different ways of going about it. I'm just going to switch off the auto or orthogonal setting there, and then we can look at deleting it. Now this is pretty straightforward and simple. So let's say you've messed it up, then you can simply just go here. You can go on your secondary toolbar here on the right. Here we've got the remnant with a little X through it, which means to delete it. So what you want to do is you click that, and then by default you'll see the remnant's gone. But sometimes what you have to do is you have to manually also click on it. But in this case it worked first time, which is nice. So just keep in mind, sometimes you might have to click that and then click on your remnant. Otherwise sometimes just clicking the button removes it for you. And yeah, so that's done. It's pretty simple. And then you have your remnant file removed. Now if you wanted to add a remnant file to a new project, that we'll be looking in the next video. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not however find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.